Welcome to the weekly Roundup report with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we are coming to you from Spring, Texas. Yes, I said it, Spring, Texas. So come on in, let's see what we got going on. Hey Scott, what you got going on with this Escalade this morning?
All right, so we have a 2005 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Customer complaint was that the brake pedal kept fading intermittently. So we took a look at the master cylinder, popped the cap off of it and took a look inside. Brake fluid is all sludged up. So we decided we need a new master cylinder before we can go any further. As we started to bleed the vehicle, this left rear caliper here, the bleeder screw was seized up. So we're gonna have to replace that before we can go any further. Then we're gonna do the ABS bleed and bring the pedal back up, and then it'll be good to go.
Great, thank you so much. Thanks for joining us today with the weekly Roundup report in Spring, Texas. We'll see you next time.